My name's Tom. I'm a dentist at Start Smiling, and I own Start Smiling along with my business partner, Tony and Eros. So as a practice, Start Smiling values as the most important thing beyond everything else is not to judge. We don't judge anybody because everybody has different life experiences. Everybody's come from different places and people have had different education regarding their teeth. So when people come to us, often it's taken them years and years and years just to make that decision to phone up a dentist and come in and let someone have a look at it. So we realise there's a huge amount of trust placed on us just from that first appointment. We're here to help, we're here to get people's smile confidence back. It doesn't matter whether it's a quick fix or whether it's something that's going to take 2 years. By the time we finish, we want our patients to have just the most beautiful smile that they can possibly achieve and be full of confidence with that smile, but also have the education and the trust that as dentists we're going to look after them from that point forward. No matter what we do, whether it's just simply coming to the dentist for a consultation or having a procedure, it needs to be pain-free. We try and make everything as comfortable as possible for our patients, even that first phone call, talking to somebody kind and nice on the other end, knowing that you're not going to be judged. So that's what pain-free means to us.
We like to treat our patients as if they were family members and friends of ours, and we want to make sure that people aren't anxious about coming to the dentist, that they actually might enjoy it and be happy about coming. And one of the barriers in the past we've found is that everyone says they're scared of the dentist, and we're up there with a lot of other anxieties. So we put forward a pain-free promise that will make sure that we can do everything we can to give them a pain-free experience, take every step we can to make sure that the injections are pain-free, the process is pain-free, and at any time in the process they're in control, so they can tell us to stop or they can give us feedback on how things are going.
So Start Smiling is based in Ingatestone, and we're the only dental practice in Ingatestone. It's a really lovely little family village. It sits just on the outskirts of two bigger cities. We've got Brentwood and Chelmsford, so that's all the hustle and bustle, and there's a lot of reality TV filmed around here. And Ingatestone's just this nice little quiet area where people come to relax and chill.
Obviously, it's state of the art. It's all very clinical and clean, and we've got the latest technology. But when you come to see us in this village setting, it just has a kind of nice, relaxing feel to it. That helps with the more sort of laid-back feeling that people get when they come here, and that helps with the pain-free sort of ethos that we have.
We have a real family feel to the practice, and so we get a lot of the local community, the mums, the dads, the kids, the grannies, the aunties, and everybody knows everybody in Ingatestone. So it's really lovely that we get to catch up with the families and see how people are doing and that kind of thing. But we also have a different type of clientele, and these are patients who are expecting very, very high-end results. We've treated some sports personalities and some celebrities because they're on telly and they have a certain look that they're trying to achieve, and that's the kind of high-end aesthetic dentistry that we can deliver. And then we have a third type of person, and that's the person who is very, very anxious about dental treatment, and perhaps their teeth have gone beyond the scope of what their current local dentist can understand and can fix, and they need that little bit more. And so they come Start Smiling, and we can break things down, analyse it, come up with a plan and start to rebuild their smile confidence.
Every patient's different, but we treat them all the same. They've all got a heart, they've all got feelings, they're all sensitive. We can spend a bit more time with each patient and just treat them all the same, but give them that little bit of special care as well.
I have to say our patients do love us, and they do travel a long way. We have patients that maybe lived here years ago and then they moved away, and some of them have tried other dentists and then thought no and come back, and some of them haven't even tried the other dentists. They've just continued to travel in.
I highly recommend anyone to come here, and especially if they're starting a new journey on building their confidence.
Start Smiling actually won Best Aesthetic Practice in the UK in 2019, and we won Best Private Practice in the UK in 2018. So we've really, really worked hard at delivering the very, very best care that we possibly can, and that's a full team approach. It's not just down to the dentists, it's down to the receptionists and the dental assistants, the practice managers. We all work together so that our patients really do have the very best experience from start to finish.
I would definitely recommend Start Smiling and Dr. Tom. Just felt so at ease here. I didn't feel any pain at all.
So really, I think that smile journeys begin with a phone call. It's very, very difficult to make that first step, and we appreciate that as a practice. Most of our patients are very nervous about dentistry, and so just picking up the phone is a hard thing. So we welcome phone calls and emails, and that's where we start this conversation. And it's all about opening up a dialogue and finding out what you're after and what we can do for you and how we can help you get to that point of smile confidence.